Here I have my cleaning girl who is helping me clean this apartment from the infestation of roaches. As you can see, it is in very bad shape. This apartment was never remodeled when we moved here. The rent, after Karina Maxima sold the property, raised the rent over 70%, from $1,400 to $1,900, then to $2,000 when Woodward Properties took it over. And now they charge water and trash removal, which is another $100 in additional charges. This apartment, the cabinets are all rotten. This is what the kitchen looks like as she is cleaning this filthy, roach-infested apartment. Okay? I have spoken to the neighbors next door. They too are leaving at the end of the lease. I recommend highly anybody considering to move here to think 3 times before you do. This place is not worth the money they're asking for. Building 480 needs to be tented completely for at least a day to get rid of all the roaches in all the apartments. This is the end of part 1. I will be shortly making another one in the next few days. Thank you very much, and God bless everybody.